stack small cubes to make a bigger solid, how many cubes do I need? That's where cube and cube root enter the real life. So every dice you roll is a perfect example of cube. Hi, I'm Avneet from Planet Spark. In today's video, we'll understand the concept of cube of a number and find out cube root by prime factorization. Cube of a number. The cube of a number is raised to the power 3. Any number, if multiplied 3 times by itself, is its cube. A raised to the power 3 or can be read as a cube is a into a into a. Similarly, 2 raised to the power 3 means 2 cube. That means 2 into 2 into 2. 2 is multiplied 3 times and that is 8. So this gives us 2 cube is equal to 8. Further, I can also say that 3 cube is equal to 3 into 3 into 3. A number if multiplied 3 times by itself gives the cube. So 3 cube is equal to 27. 4 cube is equal to 4 into 4 into 4, which is equal to 64, which is equivalent of saying that 4 cube is equal to 64. A perfect cube, a natural number, is said to be a perfect cube if it is cube of some natural number. What does this mean? Let's try to find out. If 8 is a cube of 2, I can say 8 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2. That means 8 can be written as 2 cube. I can also say that 8 is cube root of 2. Cube and cube root are inverse operations. If 2 cube is 8, then cube root of 8 is 2. And this is the symbol for cube root. Further, we are given that 1 cube is 1. Cube root of 8 is 2, cube root of 27 is 3, cube root of 64 is 4, cube root 125 is 5 and so on till cube root 1000 is 10. Let's learn how to find whether the number is a perfect cube or not. We'll start with the prime factorization of the number. While prime factorization, if each number forms a pair of 3, it is a perfect cube number, else it is not. 256 to prime factorize, we divide by 2, we'll get 128. 128 divided by 2 gives us 64. 64 divided by 2 gives us 32. 32 divided by 2 gives us 16. 16 divided by 2 is 8. 8 divided by 2 is 4. 4 divided by 2 is 2. And 2 divided by 2 is 1. So this means on prime factorizing 256, I am getting 2 is coming 8 times. 2 is coming 8 times. That means the pair is not formed. I have to form pair of 3 each. 6 times 2 is forming pair, but 2 times 2 is left out. Since these two 2's are left out, 1 2 is short over here, so 256 is not a perfect cube number. As I am not able to find out perfect cubes, as I'm not able to make the pairs. So 256 is not a perfect cube number. Just remember to make pair of 3. If you are able to make pair of 3, the number is perfect cube number, else it is not. Let's check if 27,000 is a perfect cube or not, and if yes, we have to find out its cube root. So on dividing 27,000 by 2, we are going to get 13,500. Further, 13,500 is also divisible by 2. Dividing it by 2, we get 6,750. 6,750 is also divisible by 2 and we'll get 3,375. Dividing 3,375 by 3, we get 1125. Dividing by 3, we'll get 375. 375 dividing by 3, I'll get 125. Now 125 is divisible by 5. Dividing it by 5, I'll get 25. Further dividing it by 5, I'll get 5. Again dividing by 5, I will get 1. So this means 27,000 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2, 3 into 3 into 3, 5 into 5 into 5. So we are having a pair of 2, pair of 3 and pair of 5. To make the pairs in cube or cube roots, make sure you have to make pair of 3 numbers. Like in square and square roots, we used to make pair of 2 numbers. Now we need to make pair of 3 numbers. So 2 is forming a pair, 3 is forming a pair, 5 is forming a pair, and out of pair we'll just take one number. So cube root of 27,000 is 2 into 3 into 5, that is 30. Cube root of 27,000 is 30. Moving on to 1,331. Let's prime factorize and find out whether it is forming a perfect cube number or not. 1,331 is divisible by 11. 2, 3, 5, 7, you can try, it's just divisible by 11. Dividing by 11, I got 121. 121 divided by 11 gives us 1. So 1331 is equal to 11 into 11 into 11. 11 is coming 3 times. That means it is forming a pair. And out of 3, I'll just take out 111 common. So cube root of 1331 is 11. So we have understood the concept of cube and cube root. We have learned how to find out cube root by prime factorization. This was Avneet from Planet Spark. Keep learning, keep growing. Don't forget to subscribe. To book your free demo, check the link in the bio or simply type pspark.in in your browser today. Thanks for